Welcome to Divine Beautiful Petals. I'll be sharing with you the ways to clean and charge crystals and also different ways to program them and use them. There are many ways to clean and charge crystals. It is not necessary to use all of them. You can use methods that are convenient for you. Clean and charge them according to your intuition. Today, I will tell you the different ways to clean and charge your crystals. Crystal gives positivity and also absorbs negativity. Therefore, it is important to clean them before and after using them. The easiest way to clean them is running water or tap water. You can put them directly under running water or tap water for a few minutes, or you can keep the crystals in a bowl and put them under tap water. The second way to clean crystal is in salt water. Take a bowl of water, put sea salt and soak the crystals for few hours. Salt absorbs negativity and helps the crystals to be clean. There are few crystals that are unsafe in water, so be careful with them, like selenite, fluorite, tangerine, quartz, opal, pyrite, and few more. Moonlight helps crystals to get charged. You can keep your crystals in your balcony or windowsill overnight during full moon night. This is one of the best way to charge your crystals. This is the way I charge my crystals every month during full moon or Purnima. The crystals absorbs the energy from the moonlight and get charged. This is sage. There are different varieties of sage. Sage purifies the environment and also helps the crystal to get charged. You can use the smoke of sage to purify your house and even yourself. This is the way to light a sage. The smoke of the sage helps crystals to get charged. Take a crystal and pass it through the smoke of sage. This helps the crystals to get charged. After using the sage, smudge it carefully. This is selenite. It helps other crystals to get charged. Take a selenite plate or coaster. You can also take a piece of selenite and place your crystal over it. It is again one of the easiest way to charge crystals and can be easily done at home. Tibetan singing bowl is another way to charge your crystals. Play the music of the Tibetan singing bowl. Sound breaks up any stuck or stored energy and restores harmony due to the frequency of the music. The smoke created when burning Palo Santo carries away any low vibration energy stored in crystal. So you can charge your crystal with it. Brown rice can also be used for charging crystals. Fill a bowl with dry brown rice and keep the crystals for few hours or overnight. Dispose the rice immediately after cleaning, as the rice said to have absorbed the energy you are trying to eradicate. fill a ball with salt and put the crystals in it. Salt absorbs negativity. You can keep your crystals under the sunlight, but you have to be very careful with them. There are certain crystals that are safe under sunlight. They are howlite, lapis, lazuli, jade, labradorite, black onyx, black obsidian, sunstone, and tourmaline. There are certain crystals that are unsafe in sunlight. You cannot keep them under the sunlight. They are fluorite, amethyst, opal, citrine, quartz, kunzite, turquoise, aquamarine, rose quartz, celestite, sapphires, topaz, smoky quartz. So you have to be careful before placing them under the sunlight. After cleaning and charging your crystals, you need to program them according to your wish. You need to tell the crystal to work for you accordingly. You need to build a relationship with your crystals. In order to program your crystal, hold it on your third eye chakra, which is in between your eyebrows, and say, "Thank you, crystal, for bringing positivity and happiness in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you." This is just an example. You can program this according to your wish. Just follow your intuition. As I told you earlier, build a relationship with your crystals. You can hold them in your hand and feel them. You can meditate with them or put them under your pillow and sleep. You can place them in your room. Crystals can be used as jewelries. You can use crystal wand to clean your aura, your house, or the surrounding. You can use it as decoration in your house and feel the positivity in your surrounding. The 7 chakra crystal tumbles can be used to balance all the 7 chakras of your body. You can also use them to meditate. You can also use door hangers to remove the negativity and bring about positivity in your house. You can carry them with you wherever you go or keep it in your purse or locker. You can also chant with them. You can keep them in your altar and pray. You can use them as greed for more energy. Crystals can be used for beautiful and glowing skin. These rollers helps to massage and helps to give you glowing skin. You can charge your water with the help of crystal. Keep a bottle on a crystal coaster and charge it. You can also charge your water by putting a piece of crystal inside a glass or bottle. This helps to charge the water and you can drink that water. Thank you for watching Divine Beautiful Petals. Thank you, thank you, thank you.